Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to convert raw photo to JPEG on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Photos app and then select the photo that is in raw format. To confirm it, click on the information icon. Then should say the file format here opposite the name of your iPhone. Now click on the share button at the bottom left, scroll up, locate and click on Save to Files. Now, make sure you save this to your iPhone and click on check mark. After that, close the Photos app, go ahead and open Files, then locate the photo with raw format that you want to confirm. Press and hold it, click on Get Info. Then you should see the file format here, Adobe Raw Image. Now, to convert the Adobe Raw image to JPEG, all you need to do is press and hold the image. Then scroll up, locate and click on Quick Actions. Locate and click on Convert Image. Now, go ahead and select JPEG. Select Original. Then, if you come down here, click on the image, you click on the information icon, you should see the image converted to JPEG. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to convert photo from RAW to JPEG on iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.